In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark an email as high priority in Gmail in just a few quick steps. This is a simple but very useful trick if you want to make sure an important message stands out in your inbox and gets the attention it deserves. Whether it's from a client, a teammate, a customer, or someone you don't want to forget, marking an email as important can help you stay organized and focused. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to your Gmail inbox. Once Gmail loads, find the email you want to prioritize. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar if you already know the sender or subject line. After you've found the message, click on it to select the email. Now, look at the top of the page for the More menu, which is the three dot icon. Click on that More button to open the extra options for the selected email. From the drop-down menu, choose Mark as Important. This tells Gmail that this message matters and helps it stand out more clearly in your inbox. In some cases, Gmail may also use this signal to learn which emails you care about most in the future. If you ever need to find important emails later, this can make your inbox a lot easier to manage. And that's it. You've now marked an email as high priority in Gmail. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to stay on top of important conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.